My name is Alain Willem. I'm an executive coach. And what I want to present today is it's time to reinvent yourself. Due to the COVID-19, we all have to reinvent ourselves. And the reason why I'm passionate about this topic is because first I did reinvent myself 20 years ago because I was burnt out. I'm twice an engineer and I was working in IT, in technology, became burnt out with technology and I decided to switch to executive coaching, to human technology. It took me 7 years to do the transition and now I've been coaching for 18 years. But secondly, I also became burnt out with COVID-19 and decided again to change. I used to work alone as an executive coach. And now I'm working like with 3 partners, and the 4 of us, we coach together an executive to be able to provide multiple perspectives in time of uncertainty. And that's a completely different game. So what I want to present to you in terms of reinventing yourself, and we have to do it, my feeling is like regularly, every year if possible, is to go like if you speak to a stranger. What do you do when you speak to a stranger? You meet someone and you say, how are you? And then your first question is that, where do you live? Where do you work? And that's about the environment, step 1. Then on step 2, you ask them about their behavior. What do you do? What is the work that you do? What do you do during the weekend? What are your hobbies? And then if you go deeper, in step number 3, you ask them about your skill, their skill. What do you do so well? Then going deeper, we go to the belief. What do you believe is true or false? What is right or wrong? And so you start to understand what is a belief that prompts people to act at their best or at their worst. And then you go to the values. And the values are like the belief, but they are more emotional. So they tend to be not negotiable. Like for a lot of people, if they feel betrayed in their marriage, okay, they will divorce. So that's like a non-negotiable belief, values. Then if you go deeper, we go to the vision. And the question is that, what's your purpose in life or at work? Why are you on this planet for? And then we end up to the step 7, which is your identity, who you think you are. So who is the person who lives in this environment or works in this environment, has this behavior, has these abilities, these skills, believe in these things, have value something that is important for them, have a vision about what they are about in their work or in their life. How would you call such a person? What nickname would you give to such a person? And in my name, my nickname is I'm a perfectionist. But then you review these 7 steps to make them better. So for example, in terms of the environment, you will ask how this environment could be more supportive. In terms of behavior, you could look at what you need to stop, start, and continue to do to excel. In terms of the skill, you can see what new skill could make you more relevant in the future. In terms of belief, you could look at the limiting belief, like for example, it's difficult to make money, and to re-engineer this belief in more empowering belief, like it's easy to make money when I love to do what I do. Then you will look at the values. The values are very difficult to change, but you can reorganize them. So for example, is health now more important than wealth? Or is wealth still more important for you than health? Then you go to the vision, and you look if the vision is inspirational. Because an inspirational vision will pull you, rather than a normal vision that will just push you. And then you will define your new identity. And so in my case, it was like I became a considerate perfectionist. And the reason for that is that now I can delegate what is not so important. I can balance my life and my work, not working so hard and not being burned out. And I can enjoy life more and appreciate myself more and appreciate others more. So the last step will be an action plan. And in this action plan, basically, it's what is it that you will decide to move from who you are to who you want to become in such a way that you can create new habits and becoming this new you. So enjoy the process. It's not too long. It's about 2 hours. If you need support, I'm an executive coach. I can help you. All the information about my contact will be at the end of the video and also on the document. And I also can do that for your team. So enjoy your day, and I hope we can work together sooner or later. Have a nice day.